Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Hi, thank you so much for helping me. Yes. Walang kulang po.
Pwede po sa total. Then ba natin yung araw? Watch test. Tapos na naman ko ng watch. Grabe. Anong Rolex po? Pwede po. Pwede po.
Any thoughts sa BYD? BYD, today is actually Wednesday. I am now in the office taking my GP today. Right now, ako lang mag-isa sa office, but we are used to be so dami dito sa office. Walang katao-tao right now, guys. And the reason is, may plataforma ngayon dito sa aming CLTV 36, which is the company. Siyempre, hindi na yung mga elections and all, so they are supporting the plataforma sa labas kasi ako, I'm doing something pa. Later, I will go with them, so yeah, I just ate my breakfast. Nag-order kami ng McDo kanina ng mga friends ko. I'm planning to do today's sweet content actually, but I think I cannot shoot it for today in the office kasi nga it's busy sa office, so I need to stay lang here because we actually advise na dito lang kami sa loob mag-work. So, huwag kami palakad-lakad. But this is the scent that I'm bringing today, Baccarat Rouge. Since the office is not available for me to shoot today, baka mag-live na lang ako on CLTV 36 page. Tatapos ako dito around last week of March. So, medyo matagal pa ako dito. I just need to finish this internship, guys, and then I'm good to go. I just need to focus on thesis na. And the outfit that I'm wearing today is like pure black. Vlog. Sabi niya, wait for me 140. Silang vlog na siya, hindi naman yun. Wala na akong time. Today is Friday and ngayon ako nakapag-vlog. This day is really busy. What I did in the morning is basically go to school and just pass our monthly report, EOD. It's for our internship. I'm gonna be a sister on Sunday.
Bang!
What?
Bang!
What? What?
Kasalang pa kayo? Luto na yung luluto niyo?
Sinarin ko lang naman.
Pati si mama?
Yeah.
Ano yung luluto?
Ito yung
It'll be a sister mo ngayon. By tomorrow, we're gonna pick up our new adopted dog. Her name is Willow. Ipipick up namin siya sa MOA tomorrow. And nag-worry ako right now for my alley girl because she's not used to have a sister. She's so reactive. I'm about to get our new dog. I'm so excited.
Hi guys,
Sobrang na late. I mean,
niluluto.
late ako nang gising kanina. I don't have time to do my hair. Kaya, sobrang sabog ng hair ko ngayon. And I'm waiting for Willow. This is my old car, guys. Ito yung first ever car ko. Labas tayo?
Oh. Remember. Ang liit! Ang liit! Oh my God!
Hello. Look how cute she is. She's so smart.
I'm sorry!
Yes, my love. Yes, my love. Very, very round. Imagine how small she is. Tignan mo yung kamay ko. Wow, you're so cute. She's about to meet her sister, guys. Kinakabahan kami sa kanya because we know how reactive she is. So, binatila namin si Willow
Sorry,
sa
Pebo.
house nila. Naalagaan siya ngayon ng sister niya. She's about to meet her sister. Pinikap ko na namin siya para dire-diretso. Wow, sister.
Kita niya. Ayun o.
Hello! Yun guys, until now, sister isn't her sister. Where are you going? Knock siya. I think she wants more. You want more? Papunta ako ng office today and I'm late. Dude, hindi ako... Oh my God. Hindi ako nagising on time kasi sobrang sakit talaga ng head ko. It's so hard. So hard na ako mahon. Oh my God. Hello. I hit you na.
Di ba? Oh, palit lang. Ayun na, may trigger siya.
Ano na sila?
Alam mo, natutuwa ako sa'yo. Meron akong vlog dahil sa'yo. Our graduation shoot is done. Cafe lang kami right after actually. Bought some waffles. Tomorrow is gonna be my birthday. Iniisip ko ngayon kung anong kailangan kong gawin. Ang ganda ng party ngayon. Hindi ako nakapag-hire ng makeup artist with my graduation shoot. I just did this makeup. 1 hour ko lang ginawa together with my hair. Iniisip ko din, kung manonood lang ako ng YouTube vlog, I can just save money with that. Wala naman ako kailangan i-prepare so much for my birthday kasi I already prepared it last week. I have my food already.
Yes, kunwari,
Lights and
narinig
sounds,
ko.
DJ, drinks, and stuff. So, ngayon kailangan ko lang i-prepare yung gamit ko. Like, my personal things that I need. Like, my makeup, my clothes. Yun. That is what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, guys. I almost forgot to vlog. It's my birthday na. Pinag-ano na nila ako ng happy birthday. My mom gave this bouquet to me. Oh my gosh! It's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna meet my baby, guys. I'll show you my Willow baby. Hi, Willow baby! Hi, Willow baby! This is Willow, guys. She's so kulat, no? I did my makeup tonight. Tapos tatanggalin ko din. Matutulog na din ako, guys. I have my nails done. See? We'll just take off my makeup and then I will sleep because I need enough rest para maganda yung skin ko because recently I've been breaking out. To be honest, I didn't vlog much on my birthday because I woke up na matamlay sa Willow. Can't really function properly. Agad na siyang dinala sa vet because we're really shocked, guys, na matamlay siya. Super nag-worry na ako that time. If you want to cancel the house party, but I can't kasi settled na siya lahat and all my...
Samahan niyo ako guys kumain ng bakas. Samahan niyo ako manangaling. Ay walang kasabay. Bangos. Siya na bangos. Gusto ko guys isa bangus prito. Walang no choice kung ano nasa lamesa yung kakainin. Wala akong choice. Hindi tayo magmugo. Sarap siya guys kasi strawberry tapos may lychee. Sana mapansin ako ng YouTube. Ako hindi nagpapapansin dito. Yun talaga hilig ko mag-video, i-edit, passion. Kaya lang ako nawala sa YouTube kasi ako nag-aaral sa ALS. Daming pinapagawa ang teacher namin. Kaya tinigil ko muna yung YouTube. Mama, sa Tuesday ko pa yung pwedeng kainin nyo. Tuesday ako kumain ng cup noodles. Roti daw. Kaya ako kumain guys.